Hi, welcome to this STAIR Tailored. I am Tessa Arsenault from the University of Texas at Austin, and today we are focused on dividing fractions using the area model. The area model means that we can take any area, and if that area can be divided into equal parts, it can be used to represent fractions. The area model is often represented through using a fraction circle, geoboards, or pattern blocks. There are lots of different ways we can use to show the area model. Today we are going to focus on how to divide fractions using the area model with virtual manipulatives. We will use the area model with virtual manipulatives to divide these fractions. We will solve the problem 5/6 divided by 1/3 using two different virtual manipulatives examples. How many 1/3 pieces can I make if I have 5/6? So I'm going to start with building my 5/6. Now I'm going to take my 1/3 and see how many groups of 1/3 I can make. So I can make one group, two groups, and then with my last 6, it looks like a half, but I'm going to double check that over here. So I'm going to place my 1/3, and I have 1/6 that I'm trying to fill in my third and say, yep, that 1/6 takes up half of my 1/3. So I can make one group of 1/3, two groups of 1/3, and a half. So I asked myself how many 1/3 groups I can make with 5/6. I can make 2 and a half groups. I'm going to use a geoboard now to solve the same problem, 5/6 divided by 1/3. When solving this problem, I need to remember that I'm looking for how many 1/3 pieces I can make with 5/6. So I'm going to start by building my hole. And then within my hole, I'm going to fill in 5/6. To ensure that it's very clear that I have 5/6 filled in throughout my work, I'm going to shade in my 5/6. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6. This is my 6/6 piece, but I only have 5/6, so I will only shade in 5 of those pieces. All right, so remember, I'm looking for how many 1/3 pieces I can make with 5/6. So my next step is to build 1/3 throughout my hole. So here's my first third. And I can see 2/6 fill in that third, build my second third. I can see that 2/6 fill in that third. And I'm going to build my third third. And now I can see that only half of that third has been shaded in with that 5/6. So I have 1/3 filled in from 2 of my 6ths, a second third filled in with 2 of my 6ths, and then in my last third piece, only half has been filled in. So I have 2 2.5 thirds have been filled in. So now I can go back up to my problem and I can solve for the answer. It is 5/6 divided by 1/3 is 2.5. So there are 2.5 1/3 pieces in 5/6. Thank you so much for watching this STAIR Tailored. Be sure to follow us on Twitter and check out our YouTube channel, Project STAIR, where you can see us use both hands-on manipulatives as well as more virtual manipulatives. Thanks and see you soon.